Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on my favorite turban styles. So if you're interested in that, make sure you stick around. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, the regular things. So let's get right into the so the first look is something that I find very easy and quick to do. The first thing you want to do is take the two ends of your scarf and just wrap it around the back of your head, like under. You can tie it if you want, but I personally don't like tying mine. After you do that, you take one end of your scarf and just, wrap it around the bone you have on your head. Find a good and secure place to tuck the excess scarf in. Make some adjustments to make it firm because you don't want your turban to fall off. And yeah, you leave the excess lying around basically. For the second look, this is a style I do almost every single day of my life. I literally love this style. So the first thing you want to do is the same process. Take the two ends of your scarf and wrap it around or tie if you want. Then take one of the ends and try to form layers at one end and just wrap it around the front of your head. Make sure it's at the front because that's the whole point of the style. Try to just form like layers and find a good space to tuck the excess scarf at the back of your head. Make some adjustments, make it look, popping. Then take the other end of your scarf and just fling it at the back of your head. Just, wrap it around the back of your head. And yeah, tuck that excess scarf in. I personally just like pushing my scarf a little bit to the back to make my edges show. I don't know. I find it really beautiful and cute. So you can do that too if you want, or you can just keep it at the very front of your head. This adjustment is too much now, Miriam. Yeah, that's basically it. Make it popping. While I'm falling apart, while I'm going, where you in my pain, where you For the third look, this is a low bun style. I don't know if you get, but you're going to get at the end of the video. First thing you want to do the same old thing, never changes. Wrap it, tie, then take one end of the scarf and wrap it around your bun. Now make sure it's at the lowest part, like at the back of your bun. You don't want it to be in front or in the middle because it's going to spoil the whole style. So make sure it's at the back of your bun or your head. Then take the other end and do the same. As simple as ABC. Like this style is actually too easy, very 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 simple. And the beauty of the scarf is going to be how you pack your hair, or let's say position your bun. If you're using a fake bun, make sure it's at the back of your head, like the extreme end. If not, it's not going to be like this. Hell, fine girl. Oh. I'm such a cutie. Okay, bye. Okay, I'm coming to the end of this video. Like, this is actually my first voiceover. Okay, back to the video. This is first look. Same process. Take the two ends, wrap it around, and then take one of the ends. It can be right or left, anyone you want, and just roll it like I'm doing in the video. After you're done rolling, just cross it over your head, the front part of your head. I don't know the English to use, but you get. Sure. After you do that, and you tuck the excess in as usual, you take your other end and just wrap it around your head. Basically, simple. Yeah, and that's it. And then tuck the excess as usual too. Ooh, finest. Hey, come on, give them. This beauty is not easy. It's not easy. Give it to them. Bye. Okay, so I've come to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I actually forgot to make an outro video while filming, so just enjoy these pictures of me, and I hope you actually find it really helpful, because I've had a lot of people come up to me to ask me how I tie my scarf. So this is it. It's nothing special, nothing spectacular. So yeah, and also check out the gaming house. It's my brother's YouTube channel, and it's a gaming channel. The link is going to be in my description box. Show some love as usual. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.